Hey guys, Rhett here. Today I have some examples for you on matrix arithmetic. So here we have two matrices, A and B. So A is given by 3, 2, 2, 1, so 2 by 2 matrix, and B is 4, 2, negative 2, negative 1. And I've just written out over here on the right in green a whole bunch of arithmetic that we'll now figure out. So part A is simply adding the two matrices together. 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus negative 2, 0, 1 plus negative 1, 0. For part B, I want to find A multiplied by B. So I'll just write this out. So I have the matrix A, 3, 2, 2, 1, and I want to multiply the matrix B, 4, 2, negative 2, negative 1. The way matrix multiplication works is I take the row of the first matrix and multiply it by the column of the second matrix. In this case, 3 times 4 will give 12, plus 2 times negative 2 minus 4. 3 times 2, 6. 2 times negative 1 minus 2. The next row, 2 times 4, 8. 1 times negative 2 minus 2. 2 times 2, 4. 1 times negative 1, negative 1. Great, now I just simplify. 12 minus 4, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 2, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. Part C now gets me to work out B times A. Four, 2, negative 2, negative 1, multiplied by 3, 2, 2, 1. Now, in matrix arithmetic, A times B does not equal B times A. So we're going to see that here. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 1 plus 2. Negative 2 times 3, negative 6 minus 2. Negative 4 minus 1. Neaten that up. 12 and 4, 16. 8 plus 2, 10. Negative 6 minus 2, negative 8. Negative 4 minus 1, negative 5. Part D, I want to figure out A subtract B. 3 minus 4, negative 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus negative 2 is 4. And 1 minus negative 1 is 2. Part E is some factor k multiplied by the A matrix. So k can be any number. In this instance, I just flow the multiplication through this whole matrix. 3k, 2k, 2k, and then just k. This will be useful later on when you're doing transformations. Part F, 2A plus 3B. So I'm going to double the A matrix. 6, 4, 4, 2. And I'm going to add it to triple the B matrix. 12, 6, minus 6, minus 3. And that equals 6 and 12 makes 18. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus negative 6, negative 2. 2 plus negative 3, negative 1. Part G, A minus 2B. 3, 2, 2, 1. Subtracting the double of B. 8, 4, negative 4, negative 2. 3 minus 8, negative 5. 2 minus 4, negative 2. 2 minus negative 4, giving 6. 1 minus negative 2, 3. To find the inverse, I calculate 1 over AD minus BC, so what's otherwise known as 1 over the determinant of A. And then for the elements, I swap A and D, and I make B and C negative. Part H, the inverse of A is equal to 1 over AD, so 3 times 1 is 3, minus BC, 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to swap the A and the D, the 1, 3, and the B and the C become negative. Negative 2, negative 2. The fraction out the front, 1 over 3 minus 4, is just negative 1. So I'm going to move that negative, multiply it in, negative 1, 2, 2, negative 3. And that's the inverse of A. Thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to like and subscribe. And as always, good luck with methods.